Hi folks, welcome back once again to Jack's Tech Corner and another official unboxing video. Now what are we unboxing today? Well, I'm sure you got it from the title and that's probably why you're here, but it is the IKSee, so it's IKSee Studio Arm Microphone Stand. Now this microphone stand I found on Amazon. I don't know how good it's going to be. I don't know the quality of this microphone stand. I do know that I have not found any reviews on this microphone stand on YouTube as of yet, and that brings us to today's video. This is going to be the official unboxing, and then I'm going to set the stand up and we're going to have a little look at it to see what kind of quality build it is. Now, just as a preface, I did want to order the Rode, I think it's the PSA 1, I believe that's what it is. I wanted to order that microphone stand, but it was $99. And looking on Amazon, I found this microphone stand for $49.99. And it looks like the exact same build, so I wanted to purchase it, and I don't know what it's going to be like. So we're going to check that out right now. We're going to unbox it here and have a look at the arm itself. Now, for several years on my videos, I've been using this microphone stand. Oh, let's just put that box back here a little bit. I've been using this microphone stand and it's been working great. As you can see, I got my Rode Podcaster on here, and somebody tried to correct me once. I said this is the Rode Procaster, and it's not. The Procaster is XLR. This is actually the Rode Podcaster because it's actually a USB microphone. And this one has the springs in it, and it's been working well. The only thing I don't like about it with the USB microphone is I had to tape the XLR cable up here. You could cut it out, but it's wired inside of this boom. So it's a very nice boom. It works good. I mean, I haven't had any trouble with it over the years. I actually own two of these, but I wanted to upgrade. I thought, you know what, now's the time to upgrade and buy a new microphone stand. So we're gonna have a look at this thing. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So we'll take out my handy dandy utility knife. Again, it came from our friends at Amazon, and down in the description of this video there will be a link so you can purchase this. Please use my Amazon link there. Use that link, go out, purchase this microphone stand if we see it's good, and then you can have one for your very own. Like I said, the reviews on Amazon have been really super good with this. The one guy on there said that he purchased one and he liked it so well that he purchased 4 more for his podcasting studio, and I thought that was pretty cool. Let me see if I can just get it out this way. Wow, yeah, I can. This is crazy. You should see this, how they box this thing. This big box, and look where the microphone stand is, right here. So, I mean, the Amazon packages pretty well. So this is the whole entire box for the microphone stand. This is the box it came in. But anyway, at any rate, this is the actual box itself. So let's go ahead and open this. One thing I do like about Amazon, if you're not completely satisfied with your purchases, you can return it. If there's something wrong with it, you can return them. So again, it's from IKSee. And we're going to bring this, we're going to zoom this up here so you can see the writing on the box. There we go. Wow, get a tight shot there. IKSee. And as I said, the link is below this video, so you can definitely go down there and purchase this. So let's go ahead and open this one up. I'm always very careful with my boxes. I like to be careful with the boxes because, you know, the thing is, if you ever go to resell something, right? If you ever go to resell it, it's nice that you have the box intact. A lot of people like to get the box. I mean, I'm sure I do. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Got more tape on here. It's like how people package Christmas presents with all this tape on there. Now, if you don't have a microphone boom, I suggest you buy one. And now a lot of you guys out there use a microphone stand, which is fine. The big thing is to get the microphone up, have your shock mount on there, and get it away from the sitting on your desk, because you're getting the keyboard taps and all that. If you move something on your desk or drop a pen, you're gonna hear that. With a microphone boom, it gets that away from that. It's a shock mount, so it gets you away from all that mess. So this is interesting. I don't know why they put these in there, but hey, they do. We have a pop filter, so it looks like it's exactly the same one I have on there now. The foam rubber ones. They give you 2, so now you get 2 of these. Of course, I mean, I have these things all over the place. So you get those 2. You get the handy dandy instruction manual that shows you basically how to put the clamp on the desk. So you do get the handy dandy instruction manual here. And the one thing I liked about this company was they took extra time and effort. And if I can find this piece, let's see here where they put it. They took extra time. Let me just box this and take this off of here. They took extra time that if you have a Blue Yeti, right? A lot of people use the Yeti microphone. They took extra effort to send you this part. Now, I don't have a Yeti. I used to own one, but I do not anymore. But they sent you this part that goes in your Yeti that will actually thread it down, will actually decrease the thread size so you can put it on this boom. So that's really cool. It's something I'll keep around. You never know when you're going to pick up a Blue Yeti, right? But like I said, right now I'm using the Rode Podcaster, and I'm very, very happy with it. The next thing is, and I read on their site that they totally revamped this mount. It seems like it's a very good mount. It's all metal. It's all metal construction. There's screws going through there. Seems like it is metal construction. So this is your desk mount, obviously, that goes onto the desk. If you get confused, by all means, it's in the instructions. So it slides on your desk, right, and then you just clamp it up on here. So you turn the clamp and you clamp that on there. I'm going to attempt, hopefully the hole is the same size as the boom I have now. I'm going to try to use the same mount I have now. The one thing I did like, to be honest with you, just to throw it out there about the Rode, I still think it's the PSA 1. I'm not going to look that up, but if you buy that microphone boom, it also comes with a mount that goes in your desk, and I like those better than these. Just a personal preference. These work great. Be careful if you're putting this, if you have a glass desk. Be very careful you don't tighten this too tight, because you're going to shatter your desk. So that is the mount. They also give you, which is fun, kind of weird, I guess, plumber's tape. If you've ever seen this, if you've ever put a pipe together, my dad used to do a lot of that. He would use this plumber's tape for the threading. So they give you this to put around the threading, so when you screw it, it'll make it nice and secure. Pretty cool. I mean, just a little extra touch. Hey, for 50 bucks, they really packed this thing together. And folks, this is, let's put that down there. This is the microphone boom. Okay, it's together. The one thing I've seen on this, again, like the Rode boom has Velcro straps. I get away generally with black tape. I put a little bit of black tape on my cord and run it down, so it should be fine. But that is nice that they do have that. It looks like it has a little break on here, so when you're turning it, it will break. That's different. Let's go ahead and pop this thing open without cutting my leg. All right. So we pop that open, and drop that down a little bit. It looks about the same there. And this is the stand. So you can see where the boom arm comes out. The springs, I can tell you what, those springs are very nice. I mean, those are solid springs there. Then you'll hang your microphone on here. You just got a very nice, clean boom. It's very, I can tell you what, it's very well built. It's very solid. I was wondering about these, as you can see, mine up there has, well, I don't know if you can see or not, but it has like thumb knobs on it or whatever just so you can tighten this and everything. But it does have it on this end for your microphone. And I was worried about these ones because I have a thumb knob at the top where I can tighten it up if it moves. And this does have a screw in there. So if it ever does become loose, you can definitely screw that and it will be fine. So it stays together well. It stays put. It's very, I tell you, it's very sturdy. For 50 bucks, it's not a bad boom. But the real test will be, that's pretty cool. Up here at the top, this is what I'm looking at. This is pretty cool. This is detail. Look right there at the top if you can see it. That top part, they have an indent that your cable will lay through, either your XLR cable or USB cable, depending on what kind of microphone you're using. So that is there. That is paying attention to detail. And to be honest with you folks, I've never heard of this company before I found this boom. I don't know where they're out of. I don't know where they create these at. I mean, they're sold by Amazon. They're shipped by Amazon. So I was pretty impressed with that. I did get 2-day shipping on it, so it came right away. It is extremely heavy and very, very solid. So, all right, so the next video that you're going to see is going to be the test video. I'm going to see, like I said, if it will fit in my current mount that I have for the other microphone boom, just to stick it in. What I mean by that is putting it on this end, right? That's where this mount would go. So that if you're using the desk mount, it will just sit in there. It's just purely gravity, they say, right? So it just sits in there. The weight of the boom holds it in. It's not going to fly out and go anywhere. It's very deep. So if you're using this, you're going to be just fine. Once again, this is the IKSee. It's IKSee or IKSee. IKSee. I don't know. But and the link is in the description below this video. If you'd like to purchase one, please click on that link and buy one today. But I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to hook it up now and we'll do a little review just to make sure it's solid, make sure my mic don't go flying up in air because, as you know, or maybe you don't, the Rode Podcaster, the Rode Procaster, and the Yeti microphones are all very heavy microphones. So you need something solid that's going to maintain a great balance so you don't have to worry about your mic when you're talking sliding up or going down. All right, so thanks for watching this video. By all means, so far, I can give it a thumbs up. I mean, for build quality, it's there. Let's hook it up and see what kind of usage quality we have. And we'll talk more about that then. Folks, thank you so much for watching this episode of Jack's Tech Corner. And I'll talk to you here in just a little bit after we get set up here with my IKSee, IKSee boom. I will talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.